Jeep just unveiled its all-new 2024 Gladiator pickup truck here at the Detroit Auto Show. The all-new Gladiator will be available in 4 models: Sport, Willys, Mojave and Rubicon.
Yeah, so with the new 2024 Gladiator, we're adding more capability, we're adding more refinement, more technology with a new standard 12.3-inch touchscreen radio, and more safety, including standard side curtain airbags and standard adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning on the Sport S models and above.
The refreshed truck comes with the new 7-slot grille, a new 12.3-inch touchscreen, and updated wheel options.
We've got available 12-way power front seats, and then there's some visual exterior differences as well. We've got our new evolution of our iconic 7-slot grille. We've got new wheel designs, and we've also added some more refinement to the exterior by moving the antenna into the windshield and creating our trail-ready stealth antenna that's not going to get snagged by tree branches when you're out on the trail in a wooded area.
Other new features on the 2024 Jeep Gladiator include new 12-way power front seats and new side curtain airbags.
All Gladiators come with our 3.6-liter V6 engine that's rated at 285 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque, and that's available either with an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission. So the one behind me, this is the Rubicon. So this is our most off-road capable Gladiator. So it's going to offer things like a rock track transfer case with a 4-to-1 low range, electronic disconnecting front sway bar for more articulation, the Mojave. So the Rubicon's really set up for low-speed rock crawling. And then the Mojave, the blue one over here, that's more set up for high-speed desert running. So that has 2.5-inch Fox shocks with remote reservoirs. And then the other one we have here, this black one, this is a Willys. So this is more of your entry-level capability, and this offers now standard for 2024 a rear locking differential as well as an off-road plus mode. Gladiator is made in Toledo, Ohio, alongside the Wrangler. They're actually built in the north half and the south half of the Toledo assembly plant. And really for us, Toledo is kind of the ancestral home of Jeep. Right, when Jeep vehicles were first started to be produced in 1941, they were built in the city of Toledo, Ohio, and so it's great that we can still produce these 2 iconic vehicles, the Wrangler and of course the new 2024 Gladiator, there in Toledo at the really the birthplace of the Jeep brand. So these will be available later this year. We have not announced pricing yet, so stay tuned for pricing information for the new 2024 Gladiator. You know, I think it's just the essence of the vehicle. It's we've made some evolutionary changes. We didn't do a whole lot because really we've got an awesome formula with Gladiator. I mean, there's no other pickup truck on the market that offers the kind of open air freedom that Gladiator offers. You can take off the doors, you can take off the top, you can even fold down the windshield if you want. And you pair that with incredible off-road capability, whether it's trail rated or desert rated. The Rubicon behind me, this is trail rated, but the Mojave, that's desert rated. And then you couple that with the ability to do real truck stuff. Best in class 1,725 pounds of 4x4 payload and an unsurpassed 7,700 pounds of towing. So not only can you get way off the beaten path and go explore new places, but you can take all your toys with you. You know, whether it's dirt bikes or ATVs or jet skis, all that you can take with you with that sort of towing and payload capability.
Stay with AmericaJR for more coverage from the 2023 Detroit Auto Show. Reporting from Huntington Place in downtown Detroit, I'm Jason Rzucidlo for AmericaJR.com.